Hi, good morning everyone. I am Wangkheirakpam Shreeman Singh. Wangkheirakpam Leikai. I'm an MBA and I have 20 years of experience in training and in corporate sector. Ngasi aigi topic aigi career in hospitality da ngangbi na bagdamakta aigi notice TV na kawirakwidamakta notice TV bo hamakta tagachari. Mayamna Huzik booming sector hospitality industry. Hospitality industry has a concept say mayamna hadi yamna hotel thabak to was low profile no ubibagum. At the same time, hotel industry thabak to kana kari department lay kari kamain tab magani. Adagi kamain kari tara tamaga si hotel industry de in kadai boyang sakot payai. Karamba industry da kamaina join to gani habagi so career in hospitality is a changin haitari. First thing that when main in the is exactly knowledge ki mamang. Don't get haitagadi hospitality industry was something about service neighbor when the PDC. Aduga there hotel industry or hospital industry that we tabaktori misina magi image or doing. So image built of haitari what we need is the personality. So personality when some school tamatam dagi college matam da mayam tai ko personality developed or personality developed, but actual thing how to develop the personality, that is one thing. Now personality enhanced to gain high target. It's not about like how do I look, I can phazage, how good is my physics, I haksang camp, I can wang chow, that doesn't matter. What matters is like how you talk. How you have an eye contact at the end, how you shook the hand, even that else matters. Smiling with a smile kirito all the time. Then mean when the worries are nagi body language, nagi body gesture, mayam, personality enhanced over the yam the kata. Same thing that which also improve your confidence. Yamna samna higher, but the confidence mayamna yamna low esteem the laser angang like I success kitang kulay kuchuni I the hyper mayamsly. I hygienic mamna no one is there in the world which is ugly or which is not beauty hatare. Habiti quite the hangkanda nangbu nang imai pazi kana on kal hangkanda. Everybody says a imai pazi mean over line hane. The mean over line has a now when my mom and dad is shown in a kanjaba taragadi, I become a son of a daughter, son of a daughter, a son of the god or the daughter of a god. So I mother I pada hankanda ima I masak phazabra I shibra hankanda. What will be their parents' answer? Anga machadu dagi henba, angon dagi henba, no one dagi henba, pitribi late haini. So when the God itself, when your father and the mother says that you are the most beautiful and the most handsome person in the world, I don't think that you don't need someone to say that you look ugly, you look you are not good. You listen to your inner voice, you listen to your parents, and that makes you something which improve your confidence. One thing what I some I have a concept do not compare yourself with anyone. If you are comparing, obviously you are insulting yourself. You are born as one, you are a unique person. Yarigadi nasagi personality ngakpa. First thing, personality is like anything me ma face with that on a kidding eye, right? This is the one thing with hospitality because customers say one who are the god high name. So when you don't know how to interact with the customer, when you don't know how to interact with the clients and the guests, then obviously you will feel demotivated. The second thing, I is a personality later. I personality improved already. Then I know how to talk to people. Later, what you need again is the knowledge. I did. The hiram to the I get knowledge later. Again, I give personality laser. I say wangang bahay. I me unaba danga me higher knowledge. Knowledge is about a particular field about hospitality. Well, like theoretically, practically. Say we in hospitality we have 4 departments like front office, food and beverage, kitchen, and housekeeping. See, personality because the person who is going to work in hospitality will be the person who is the face of the industry. They are going to industry hotels or hospitality industry or any company where it belongs to hospitality. So if hospitality, it's not only about hotel but also aviation even comes under hospitality. If you know how to do deals with those departments, you can even get into the aviations and other industries as well. Theoretical, practical, you need to learn some extracurricular activities. Say, for example, when you have 100 rupees in your pocket, and despite of going to the locality shop, go to a 5-star hotel or go to a 3-star hotel. Let's see, coffee it will be different thing. But what I wanted to say is that learn, why the coffee is cost 300 rupees, 400 rupees rather than the 10 rupees coffee. So it includes magi kamaito namon the coffee serve story, how they deal you with their personality, with the smile, with the service, service to people high river coffee or anything which we have in the star hotels become expensive. Aduna akoida aduma chalakanda aina haying tawdisi siniko haibagi hands-on experience masana tanchani bamsang rather than I theory tamachalurabni practical tamurabani haraga you come back home and start making reels doesn't gonna work. But you need to, if you wanted to achieve something, you need to get in deep into what you wanted to know. Learn to again explore to. Now mainly over here, I see that kids and children after passing out 10+2, they are always try to be in a comfort zone. Parents ka leiba dagi magi friend circle mayam emanatam pham leju tam chat kanina comfort zone ama dum leina hona bodo, because comfort zone will not be able to break your ice. You need to break the ice. I mean, ice mahi lang thuwa matung dana nang same forming same form of the same yar ka this. So you need to adapt in situation they adapt obam ta ka. How will you adapt? Now, for example, now if I go to the South Indian, then I see the gingari I in sari ba koi Manipur chari ba chinjak se tum pura chat ke liya dabani na over there nang adapt on the weather de khang de cha ba de khang de, then lay ba de khang de weather du gi matung in then mafam du gi matung in adapt on until unless you then able to adapt, it's survive the wongam. However, it's not the strongest species in the art that survive. It's not the most intelligent person that survives. It's more a person who more adaptability survive. Adaptability later but again dinosaurs adaptability to later adaptability is a life never number survive. So adaptation wherever you go tabak to patience labor then stability is labor to get into ladder managerial post. You have to start from the scratch. Then you have to climb the stairs to reach to the place where you wanted to reach. So ultimate goal where you need to have a very good adaptability in whichever field that you are going to work or wherever you wanted to settle things. So adaptation comfort zone adaptation adaptation layer point hamada knowledge layer first in personality layer knowledge layer, then after that you have adaptability layer. Fourth point, what we need is the combination of hard work and smart work. So we all know smart work and we know hard work also, but how far the hard work and smart work. Now hotel industry mainly on hard work it's really hard work. They are not service. They work for 8 hours more. They even then extended to 10 or to 12 hours according to the situations and all. So they adapted to adapt. So 8 hours, 9 hours, you have to keep smiling. still keep carrying on the smiling. Adu moment minok to sum pudo ni ba. That you don't show that you have been tired. Excuse me. Now hard work say hard work say how will you try to have a combination with smart work. Now what is smart work? Say for example multitasking gumba. Hotel industry say for example me in a restaurant or hotel chabala kanda ngai matam say for if I order for something and there are some time lapse of like 5 to 10 minutes for the waiter to come the product to prepare and come. In that between the service story miduna matam ngai he can have an add-on sales like coffee while the like what juice starter with a juice period, a coffee period. Adu add-on sell odone. Adu ki add-on sell they'll be like nang add-on center okay this ki sigi magi manager lady ba mayam sina magi area manager lady observe to okay this person is not only working but also have a smart sort of thing which try to create a business volume. Obviously, in business volume, we include nuti for example, customer mari mangari nuti policing money business obviously the manager will be happy to you. So that creates a good vibes among the manager. Nangi ming je sige angang sila tabuk to business mana add-on sell to we push sell to we. Ano tadi sige angang je we can bring him into the a better level where he can be into the sales and executives thamak pa batang la ka duni hai but for that you need to show the caliber that what you have to madi san push to bom dakata until unless you are not ready by yourself no one is there to prove you to push you. As simple as that, if the egg isn't broken from inside, obviously it becomes hatch an egg, it has a hen. But if you break from outside, it becomes an omelette. So either you decide you want it to be an omelette or you want it to be a hatch a hen. Now, three points measure in the is communication skills. Communication say when we say I'm not good in communication. It doesn't mean that you have to be very English tanga katanan communication. Any language that could be. It could be Hindi, any language which you are good at. But you have to be very pro-effective on what you speak. English Hindi. So that thing is what you require. Communications. There are many these things where you try to show that your communication is effective or how if ngangi po si means listening tari pura adi mo the tahan na ba kamay na ngangani like with the expressions. For example, customers walk in the wakanda kaurasu yada ba kaurasu yaba poto like you just good morning sir, good afternoon sir, how was the day, that makes the customer to feel extra care lo bita man but he will or the customer will try to judge you. I want this guy or this person to serve me. When just over is not the manager who will just not about these things, but the customers in just over efficient no say mayam khanga kadu se nang so the kata dane kano je hotel industry, hospitality industry is all about the service. It's all about how you forecast yourself, how you show yourself. This is what the men theme of like hospitality. The service speak on the end customer then harau give. There are many different customer makal mayam like you cannot say that all the customer has to be very genuine and very soft and sober. Wait, nothing. There are like customer who's like very irate or but you need to how to deal all the customers. Irate a customer kamay deal tawgani. Yam arrogant a customer kamay deal tawgani. So there are many things that you need to learn on that. So when when you are already working, then there are chances from the grass level from where else you can jump. Join the way. First thing, you can join in hotel. You can also work in cruise lines. Cruise line is also a hotel where like jahaz hotel but it has a different amenities, salary package, different way. Retail sector, we have retail outlets for F&B services. Say like KFC lady, Starbucks lady. She mayam sita dum nangi you can try a change on that. On not only this. Okay, hotel industry the tabak tore or if I wanted to go to aviation, like say for as air hostess join toning money. Now if you have say experience in hospitality industry, you know it's a plus point for you if you want to try for like aviations. You know they also want a person who has a bit experience in hospitality industry, which can make your career in aviation, in cruise lines, and many other things. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯖ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯚꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯦꯟ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ. No, there are many other things that are beyond that. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ, ꯑꯦꯚꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ, ꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯖ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯆꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ, then fine dine restaurant ꯑꯗꯒꯤ quick service restaurant ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ. No, more than that, there are more prospects than. If you work there for like 3-4 years in the hospitality industry, you can also be a faculty management level. You can be also in event management. There are a big event management, in and around, even in Northeast also, even in and around Manipur also. Event management like in earlier days, like me event management service in the service people. Asigi event management nasana story hai but you knowledge to chahi mari manga layer matung the knowledge layer haragati in all these 3 department or 4 department. You can either be a chef, you can either be food and beverage story ma'am sigi event management ma'am, so we can also have a try on that particular field also as well. Coming more further, advance more. Let's say, in coming into like a teaching line. If you are working in the hotel industry for more than 4 or 5 years, probably in and out of okay hotel industry what is the bar da kamai na kari makal ki drinks cocktail mocktail and what kind of foods Italian foods it will be better for you to have a knowledge that can be shared. The knowledge shared or you can be a trainer or you can be a faculty members in institutes, well-known institute, so the bagi opportunity lady. So career hospitality it's not a very limited way. Hotel industry thabak tawr kanda hotel da thabak tawni ai service layoni housekeeping department khara laini, then front office ta laini, F&B service no adu hen expo. Starting from that line, you can be into retail, you can into aviation, you can into the faculty line. My sana layer had that. And akoina uriba ang akogi huziki you things uriba sigi prospect to hen. And one more thing, a message or sort of thing, suggestion or not an advice, a suggestion there are many social stigma technique in America, where like some people without having knowledge like the bagi so kanogi tombagi chawbagi or hongbagi chawbagi masanopi or masanopa the hotel thabak tawe glass samira, then or else the service toroga the hotel thabak tawa jibu kai oiramudano habagi high kind of bagi thabak tawriba chakriba angang dugi families da hoigi impact ama lakpa haitare haidi ai cha jan pan thabak to man respect to this but adumaina khali potogi moida khangna ba hotel industries it's not about hadi akoina hoi Manipur da leiba situations jo khoigi awareness digi what bagisu oiramgani boko aduna every work has every work not hadi thabak any work we go and it has to be appreciated. There had to be mason that could be a carpenter there could be a barber, there could be a anything, work is not tabak putor is machanati haningi kwadi. And the person who is working, they are to be respected haitari. Despite tabak tawda bida yumda labor yauri ko hadi tabak tawda bi adum ngau labor yauri like rather than kong kuchu yaw na ko soira kuchu natabda yum the labor adu almost paralyzed rather than we should start appreciating that angang is not tola ID I sent tan the beate I have to make my career high. I think some when financially support at least few some mentally motivate to be better. Pay the manga like show put in tabak to say career shame it's a best thing and youth sing or parental sing the hiding every job is not small. It's it's all respectable like that. Either it's respectable way any job requires. I don't know, tabak bagi or pishat turning bagi it's a very good thing in society, and also it's also help in a GDP of these things. And the hotel industry is a boom. I know career in hotel industry the topic key matang is the this ski life na high COVID was I want the yamna tari nungai zone power that which will aware to other person which let's say share to minabs. I'm not that saying that I'm loyal habitat. I'm share to I think I should say thank you to this live on this expert talk theme. Last but not the least, last one hygiene is a hotel industry, hospitality industry. They will understand the value of a person, because hospitality it's all about giving a service. Yumda table chokri thabidana cha pithaiba yumdagi horga hospitality se dum lei hai tare hospitality lei badingi you have got good manner, you have got good ethics, you have got good discipline hai tare which also helps in the society to bring normal peace yamna nungai yai phaba adum leigani until unless you don't have whenever we carry on with this discipline, moral and ethics, I don't think that there will be lesser of like fights and arguments. Hospitality is either so we should always learn what is hospitality all about. Hospitality is hospitality management, hospitality have the service to hygiene is the hospitality is to know much more better and to also have a good ethic and good manner and discipline. I think everyone at least need to know the need of having a good hospitality in ourselves. So with this, I would like to say thank you to Notice Live for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Uzbekistan ki Fargana city dani high city city laiba government ki medical college amani Fargana Institute of Public Health high college ki magi main campus ni sina taba tongan ba campus mayam amasu leiri haba tare magi hospitals mayam ama lei adu magi sigi main campus se mayam meeting kaminaji basi government college ni more than 1000 student office de like tami adu ko Manipur ki oina batch ani haba tare ahan ba batch ani ekoi Fargana Institute of Public Health later first year student and second year student mayam ama basi to hostel singa leiraga mahiru ke ama like tami manung sida kai ke features of the opportunity like
young minds
Welcome to Uttar
TV ki manung da quite ki fazaba mafam khara khangat pada world ki iconic amadi historical traveler mo ikiba Ibn Battuta na ma travels of Ibn Battuta da the magnificent city of the world hairamba Samarkand have city to the hojik si yam ingi -2°C ni hoju equal level se adunga mafam sina yamna mukai historic oiba yam significant oidesina kaino hakanda Central Asia gi khwaidagi ihan hana likhatkiba medical university adumgi mamangmukta da koi lebjari base ma'am interview Samarkand State Medical University first of all mamang sakiba university makami haribi university sida mayam video features sida mango uribase haribi mafam si the Samarkand have fazaba magi lens features landscape aduga haribi mafam sigi oiba ma yam fazabagi adu yam phawgi popular oibagi yam reason khara lai ahambada world gi khwaidagi maming chatpa conquerors singi manungda amu oiriba Amir Taimur gi capital se Samarkand sida oigi masigi mathakta mafam sida yamna magnificent oiba iconic monument haribi mafam si ma explore tominaji aduga hojik laiba aino university se sing university finally the university of Adaptility finally public university singi manungda amasu oiba top university mani Ivy University is not just to be Uzbekistan doctors linked to the Malay to one of the countries in the game of medical tambalai, PG courses in the MBBS courses in the students may how many Pakistan, India, Turkey, Iran, don't the country may have the game of medical tambalai. Other than India manu the game North Tiki, Hero Maham Sida, medical tummy, even Manipuri of Mahiro Kayama, Maham Sida medical tummy, Maham Nuaiba, Yam Pazam from Aduga Yam historic oiva, Atu Maham Oi, Maham Sida, Leitam Bagiton to Nuai, Maham Legani, I have explored to Minazi, Masida Natava, University Sigamungo from facilities, ma'am, my hostel features, I think it's very opportunities, ma'am, ma'am, check, ma'am, interviews.
See degree assistant degree certificate baccalaureate 1930
That was Tourism Institute,
TVS Institute Samarkand Institute
handwritten.
Singh ki iramba se Singh Leikai dari iramba
Manungi infrastructure yang pay.
Okay.
Ada magi syllabus se Medical Council of India ka su yang institution na bahai tare ko. Community medicine jaga ka work to roga.
That program. Where from? Basically from India was part of it. Uttar Pradesh. So do you know Manipur? Oh yes.